To our vending machine challenge.
It's a bit early, isn't it? Let's go to a vending machine.
What's our 24-hour challenge? This is our breakfast, if you're wondering. 24 hours started now at 8:05. What time is it? It's roughly 8:05. As we're making our way down to the vending, we're going in.
Bad news, it's closed. Now looking at the train station for a vending machine before Harry's class. First hour, complete disaster. Harry's gone into ICANN without any food because we couldn't find a vending machine open at this time in the morning. So it's 8:30.
No food. No food.
No food.
No food. So I've got my pad and paper.
Vending machine challenge. No petrol in the car. One very hungry child. And one that's halfway through a tutor session. Success rate so far on vending machine challenge, not very good.
Wow, so fun. Yay.
Right.
5 people.
Good morning. Just use the vending machine. Thank you. Cheers. So this is the first vending machine of the day, is it?
Yeah.
And there's another one that, should we go and have a look at the other one? Show us the other
because
one?
there's Haribo that celebrated Victorian author who wrote several.
Okay.
The last one I could know. He's a writer.
So how do these machines work then? You can put cash and card, can you?
Yeah.
Cash and card. So, one.
What is it?
Is that many gone
Yes, that's gone. What is it? Sorry. I should go walk these. See that one?
in? Yeah. Right. Just done the first visit of the day at Cumbrian Stadium. Harry has
Drink, some chocolate, and a bag of crisps in the front.
Charlie's doing his tutor, and he's got a drink and a bag of crisps, and he doesn't look happy. Oh, and some minstrels, that's right. Visit number 2.
Visit number 2, coming back to the one that we originally had failed. The golf. We had on offer.
Harry's still hungry, so he's picking his nose on the way to the vending machine.
I was not. It was a big success. I managed to get an energy drink from there, which has definitely fueled me up. I didn't know we could get an energy drink. Sad face. Sad face. It should drop. Or it don't drop. Okay. There we go.
Oh, there's another one.
There we are. Which one are you getting? Number 34, number 33, number 43. 43. Just coming out now. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, big selection here. This is all his food he's got until we go this afternoon.
Number 25 is quite popular.
This is. Come on, 25.
Go on, go on. Hey.
Where are we now? We're in the hospital.
Some soft bakes, some yogurt breaks, we've got some polos, we've got some walkers. This is broken.
Where the last one, Harry?
Oh, last one of the day. This is our dinner.
So what's all this in? What's all this is? Been to the barbers or did Dad do it?
Dad did.
Did you do that?
Tell us what food you got left, Harry.
Cheese and onion, sad face. I actually got the wrong one.
Salt and vinegar and polos, and that's your dinner. And what you got, Charlie?
I've got a nice polo, top of the notch. Got this nice yogurt breakfast. Look how much in there. That's only a tiny bit. And I've got They're amazing. Yogurt crunchy raisins. But there is a twist to this challenge. We aren't allowed water as it's a very hot day. And otherwise it's a health risk.
Not me.
Not
I'm
me.
looking for a roll.